My old workbench has served me well for quite a few years. But one of the frustrations was that every time I needed to set my table saw to 45 degrees, I had to move the bench because the dust collection pipe fouled on the bench leg. Added to this, when I wanted to use my Stanton MFT style workbench, I had to clean an area down on the workbench so that I could set it up. Hardly convenient. So I came up with the concept to fix both problems. A workbench that included the Stanton Bench, which I could remove if I needed to take it somewhere with me, and also no legs on the end where the table saw was. And this is the result. In part 2, I'll show you how I built the frame.